So I decided to test the soil in the greenhouse, and what you see in that bucket is 5 parts water and 1 part soil that settled out over 30 minutes. So now I'm adding the capsules that come with the test kit to the different test tubes that will test nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash. So you put what's in the capsules in the test tube, then you end up putting water out of that bucket into the test tubes, and then you'll see where the meter reads it a little bit later. But while you're watching that, it's a little bit of a spoiler alert. The test didn't come out very well. It's very, very disappointing based on the fact that I added compost to this, what these tests ended up reading. So I got some work to do. First of all, of course, get the soil back up to where it should be in the greenhouse. But I need to test my compost site and try to determine what's going on up there. Evidently, I'm not getting enough nitrogen into the compost. So we're going to have to figure that out and see what we need to do in the future. But we can watch these tests here. I know when I added nitrogen after I tested the indoor green or the heated greenhouse, the lettuce really reacted, and that was a completely different soil mix. It wasn't even my own compost. Had you questioning the test kits, actually, because I would have thought that the nitrogen level wouldn't have been an issue. But once I added blood meal to the soil down there, the lettuce really took off. So evidently it was nitrogen deficient, like it read. Actually, these readings kind of blew my mind, because when I built this greenhouse, I brought in a lot of my compost because of this. We widened it and we needed to make some soil. And that year I sent tests away to Penn State to test the soil, and they come back way high. All the readings were high. It was way too much fertilizer in the soil using the same compost. So again, I'm a little confused about what's happening here, but we'll figure it out. It's just a matter of going through the steps and determining what's going on here. Biggest thing is to get this soil up to where it should be for the lettuce I have in there right now to take off. So that will be the first thing we do. After you get these test tubes ready and shaken up, you give them 10 minutes to settle before you read the tests. And that 10 minutes is already passed, so we're about ready to start looking at the results here in a second. First one we do is in the nitrogen. I like this test kit because there's no guessing. You don't have to try to match up the colors with a chart. This reads it for us. You can see there it says the nitrogen is deficient. No, I'm sorry, it said it was depleted. It's depleted, which blows my mind with the amount of compost I added to it. It's like I said, leads me to another issue of what's going on up there, but we'll figure that out. Now we're doing the phosphorus, and that reading is deficient. And that reading is depleted. So we got a lot of work to do here to get this soil back up. I'll be adding blood meal to bring the nitrogen up, and then I'll find something to bring the phosphorus and potash up. So I'll let you know how we make out.